Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Smart restoration with one of the best views in Paris. Romain Chancel breathed life into the neglected rooftop garden of this 1970s duplex to create the ultimate sunset spot. When Romain Chancel first encountered this duplex at the top of a 1970s block in Neuilly, an elegant district on the outskirts of Paris, it was suffocating under an old-fashioned carpet and neo-17th century woodwork. But the interior designer could immediately see the potential it offered his clients. Despite its uninspiring decor, the space was blessed with long balconies, enviable views and, best of all, a huge roof terrace that, at 150 square meters, is almost as large as the apartment itself. Having grown up surrounded by fields near Giverny, I attach paramount importance to the outdoors, he says. I wanted to forget Paris, to feel like I am living on a cloud.